What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out this Defender from a Landrover. Now this 2023 model is absolutely beautiful. Here in the front we're looking at these beautiful headlights, and of course we do have the windshield washers to complement those headlights to keep them nice and shiny. Right now, as you guys can see, we go down to the bottom, the Carpathian Gray, and it's also mixed with the black, so you got the black trim and the gray going on. Now we got 6 parking sensor going on in the front of this vehicle. We do have a camera right here in the front to support the 360. Now we'll take a quick walk around. We're gonna take a look and see what's going on with this thing. Now on this car we do have the 22-inch wheels, right? And of course we got the Continental 275/45 tires. So absolutely beautiful. Now this is a V8 beast, so of course it's gonna guzzle a little bit of gas, but everything about this car, the way it drives, is just amazing. You know, you won't even realize that you're spending the V8 money when it comes to the gasoline. Now let's keep going on around. Now we got a 5.0 liter in this one, V8, like I said, 518 horsepower, and also 461 foot-pound of torque. 8-speed automatic transmission, definitely really nice, and the all-wheel drive. Now we got the electronic power assist, and we do have the air suspension. So just imagine that, you know, you can control this thing on and off road. Now look at those lights in the rear, how beautiful that is. Like I said, 22-inch wheel is just beautiful. LED lights are just great. Right now this car has rain sensor. It also has traffic sign recognition. It has rear traffic monitor. Yeah, it is a beast of an automobile. Like I said, they have really outdone themselves this time. Now with this car, like I said, it has a supported 360 camera, and what it does is has a camera under each one of the mirror, the one in the front, in the rear just above the license plate. There's one on the top that works perfectly with the inside mirror on and off, and then that will give you more or less what's going on behind you, whether you want the glass or you want just the regular camera. All right, now we got the door open, and we do have the Meridian surround sound system, so that is absolutely nice. Let me just turn this headlight off so you can stop making all that noise. Now inside this vehicle there is no carpet, so you do have this nice off-road, you know, off-road plastic that's going on, off-road leather, which is beautiful. Look at the stand where the seat sits up, and you do have some lumbar support, so it's very comfortable. And of course here is your control to move the seat forward and back, and the same thing here. Now this leather is called the vintage tan, so it is absolutely beautiful with the Carpathian gray that's going on the outside. This is really cool. I like what's going on here. When you jump on the inside of this vehicle, as you guys can see, good evening, very respectful is the car, and we do have the 11.4-inch screen going on right here, and of course everything that's right there. Now take a quick look and see how this whole dashboard lines up with the steering wheel. As you can see, there's some buttons going on the steering wheel right here for all of the extra features. Now these will light up once I start the car up, and then of course, you know, you have all of this nice smooth, you know, like cloth type feeling right here. It's just like a fur, which is beautiful on the steering wheel. Now if we continue to look all around the vehicle, we'll realize that Defender is written in most places. Of course you got a glove box right here, and you do have a USB-C that's sitting on this side, charger. You have another USB-C here, you have another USB here, and you have the regular cables here. Now under the bottom of that we do have more space going on, and of course we have 2 cup holders here. Right below the 2 cup holders, of course, we have the wireless charger that's going on here. We can open this and we'll have a cool box, so we'll just hit this button. Actually, let's start the car up just so we can be able to utilize some of that function. Yeah, now everything here is illuminated. The seat the steering wheel come back to you, and the seat push forward, so this has the memory seat. See, everything is illuminated, and you can see everything that's going on right there. Like I said, right here we do have the cool box. All we have to do is just hit the button once, and we get 2 lights, and it illuminates inside the ring. Or we hit the button again and again to just turn the ring off. All right, beautiful. Now let's jump out, let's look at the roof, and then we'll go in the rear of the vehicle. Now here is the mirror. Of course, you want to have mirror, you flip forward and you get full mirror, okay? Or if you want to have the camera in the rear, then you flip backwards and you get the camera in the rear. So you do have two different functions right here. Now if you look above us, we do have some button for the sunroof. Hit the sunroof right there, and then you can see how easily that goes by. Look at that. So we can go ahead and close it back up. And of course we got the button for the screen. That's separate, that you don't have to actually push them together. Beautiful. All right, now let's jump out and go to the rear of the vehicle. Now as you can see, the rear passenger also have a comfortable spot. You know, you can see they got a little bit of carpet going on here at the bottom, but still have the off-road feel, the off-road situation. There's no full carpet on the inside. And then there it is, the vintage tan, just as beautiful, right? Now, as this is Land Rover, you do have where you can hang your clothes. I mean, this is option. You know, you don't have to actually buy that. And then here we go. You can control your air from back here. You do have your own vents. Close and open them right here, and of course you do have USB chargers right there. Okay, great. Now let's jump in the rear. Now, how nice is that? Here we'll just jump on in, and then of course we can just remove that, and that will go. We can push that all the way on up this side if we want that to be out the way, but it's okay. We'll just leave that for now. All right, and of course here you can control your air condition or the fan speed from back here. So that will keep you nice and cool in this area if you're supposedly camping or hanging out in this part of the vehicle. All right, so let me turn that back down to where it was at. We do have the LED lights, and yeah, that's you do get a full spare tire sitting in the back of this vehicle. I want you to take a look at these window that goes on in the back. We'll open the door, and if you look up, you can see how nice that open area is right there. And they actually have them on both sides. All right guys, cool. So appreciate that. Thanks a lot for watching.